LottieLearns.com. Hi there, friend. I'm Lottie. I'm really happy you're here today. I was just getting ready to practice reading a few words. Want to read with me? Great! It's always more fun together. All our practice words today start with the letter B. Okay, I'm going to get my tablet and open the Lottie Learns Phonics Factory. It helps me practice reading new words. This is the first word. Let me see if I can read it on my own. Uh-oh. I forgot what the A says. Do you remember? It's okay. If you get stuck like me, all you have to do is click on a letter to hear what it says. Let's click on all the letters to make sure we know the sounds.
B.
Yep, B says B. I knew that one.
A.
Oh, that's right. Ah. I forget that one sometimes.
T.
I knew the T. T says T. Alright, now that we know the sounds, we just need to put them together. Now I'm going to slide the arrow from left to right. Do you see how the letters light up? That's when we say the sounds. Ready? Let's do it together. B. A. T. Great! Let's do that again, but I'll slide it a little faster. B-at. B-at. Do you see how if we say the sounds faster like that, you can almost hear the word? Let's try one more time. B-at. I think it's bat. Let me check.
Bat.
Bat! Yes, we got it! Okay, here's the next one. Let's check all the sounds.
B. E. D.
I'm gonna slide the arrow and say the sounds when the letters light up. Say them with me. B, E, D. B-ed. B-ed. Bed. Let's check.
Bed.
Yes, we got it. Ooh, this one has the letter I in the middle. Let's check the sounds.
B. E. G.
Okay, sliding left to right, say the sounds with me. B, I, G. Big. 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 Let's see.
Big.
Big. We did it. All right, let's do another. First, I'll click the letters.
B. A. X. B. A. X.
All right, now that we know the sounds, we just need to put them together. Sliding left to right. B-ox. 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 I think this one says box. Let's check if we're right.
Box.
We got that one too. This one looks tricky. Let me try and read it. B-a-z. Wait, I think that's wrong. I better click the letters to check.
B.
Got that one. Yep, you says
S.
Oh, that's right. The S says S. All right, let's put these sounds together. B-a-s. B-a-s. B-us. B-us. I think it says bus.
Bus.
Yep, we're getting good at this. Last one for today. Let's click the letters.
B. A. G.
Okay, say the sounds with me while I slide. B, A, G. B, A, G. Bag. Bag. Let's check.
Bag.
Yes, we got it. Great job. We did them all. Nice work. Some of those were tricky, but we kept trying. Thanks for being my reading buddy. See you again soon. Your child can practice reading just like Lottie with the Phonics Trainer, available with a Phonics Factory membership at LottieLearns.com. Try it at home today. LottieLearns.com. Click the link in the description and get your child reading like Lottie.